Good morning. In the papers today, the average price of a house has soared past the £250,000 mark for the first time. The asking price for a three-bedroom semi-detached rose by £2,957 in June to £252,798 thanks to stronger consumer confidence and cheaper loans. London wins the race with another record of £515,243 for the cost of an average property, which is continuing its upward path. There are clearly signs of a wider, more sustainable recovery. There is also indication of a north-south divide, as the first half asking price surge in the north is almost equal to that of the south. Mortgage availability has increased, and the government's Funding for Lending scheme has enabled lenders to lower rates significantly. Foreign-owned bank branches in Britain made the country's financial crisis worse, shrinking their loan books by almost half at the height of the credit crunch. The Bank of England has shown real concern over the impact of international banking on the UK economy, judging by the bank's latest research that reveals lending from foreign-owned branches grew in the lead-up to the crisis before sinking by 45% between the third quarter of 2007 and the same period in 2009. The study points to difficulties in starting lending following the slump in credit triggered by the crisis. The Funding for Lending scheme and Project Merlin, the government's flagship initiatives to boost lending to Britain's households and businesses, have been unsuccessful in reversing the decline. It must be noted that involvement in these schemes is limited to UK-owned banks. UK-owned banks restrained their lending far less significantly than foreign branches during the height of the crunch, shrinking loan books by 14% in the same two-year period. The pressure on household finances may be starting to ease, according to a market survey that illustrates the least negative financial situation for 3 years. Responses show family budgets are suffering, with 26% suggesting their finances have deteriorated since June, as opposed to 8% reporting an improvement. The Household Finance Index is the best result since February 2010, however. And finally, latest figures in a new report by Barclays Wealth show Britain's wealthiest people are more likely to be entrepreneurs and less likely to have inherited money than their European and American counterparts. Success at enterprise is the most common way to get rich in Britain, these figures reveal. Thank you.